Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself.
Something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. But no more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this will all just be a dream. Baby, come to the crowd, everything's gonna be alright. Slipping out of what you're going to believe. I told you, daddy's here to hold you.
My name is Muhammad Zikri Fahreza from 12th Science Street. In this video, I will give you some tutorial turn on air conditioner with Xiaomi smartphone. Let's start it. Your air conditioner remote has been lost. Don't worry, there is a solution. You can change it with your smartphone. So let's go to the tutorial. First, you need prepare your smartphone that has infrared. Then turn on your smartphone and search the feature Mi Remote in your phone. Then you press the plus sign at the top left of your smartphone. Then you select the air conditioner menu. After that, look for the brand of air conditioner that you ask. In the example, I use a Panasonic brand air conditioner. Then point your infrared cell phone at your air conditioner. Then press the power button. If it doesn't respond, you can repeat the following step. Okay, that is tutorial from me. I hope this video is useful for all. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching until the end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.